Food Wars live from Las Vegas, Blackhat. Hi Konrads, how you doing?
Hey, Noel, how do you do?
Great. So can you introduce yourself to the community?
Yeah, hi. So my name is Konrads Smelkovs. I work for KPMG in UK. I'm hacker slash incident responder, and yeah, I've come here to Blackhat to present the tool I wrote.
So what's the purpose of the tool you have just presented here in the Blackhat Arsenal?
So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to help the companies that have been breached, that have no significant defenses, so no agents, no centralized logging. And the way we do this, we leverage an attack tool, a Metasploit, and we have some extensions to it, which allow you to run arbitrary Lua code inside the interpreter. So now you have the ability to adapt to the attacker's techniques quickly, and respond to them. So what I call them laying traps. So what you do is you push your friendly interpreter agent to hundreds of machines. You listen for some event that you find interesting. Attackers may give up. Maybe they use a specific username, type of day or something. And then the moment you do that, you write automated response. And this is all in Lua, so you can change it as you see fit. You write automated responses to that. So what I have here as one of the stories, one of the case studies. So what we do is we listen for event logs for logouts, and the ones we care about, we execute processes in the context of that RDP session. And if the guy has shared the drives, I've actually had the drives contents. So you've gone from having nothing on that to quickly pushing agents that are in a way really safe, because Meta's interpreter is really volatile. You boot the machine, you close it, they're gone, there's no traces. You've gone from having nothing to having agents know the machines really quickly that send you logs or whatever you want there. And the moment you catch something interesting, you can try and hack back at the attacker. So in my example, you can, for example, get his shared drives context, or maybe you just drop something in his auto run. The moment he reboots it, you actually have hacked it back.
Okay. If you had to focus in one feature, which one you could tell us about it?
Well,
one main feature.
So our main feature, in a way, this is the name of the tool, MERV, is the ability to deploy monitoring agents, and they're very flexible, hundreds of machines really quickly, and they have no predefined or preset hard-coded things they watch for. So the moment the attacker adapts his techniques, you can adapt to his technique in a heartbeat and push it out to hundreds of machines. So we've turned it from a defender's dilemma where you have to understand which machines you want to monitor and monitor them closely, the attacker's dilemma where actually connecting to a machine is dangerous.
Okay, great. So, what's the actual release date?
So you can get the working source today. It's probably going to get a little bit cleanup and bug fixing over the next weeks, but essentially it's usable as of today. It's available on GitHub, so if you go github.com/trueconrads, you should see my public repository and can download the source code from there.
Okay, and have you some next features? Something features about it?
I think the main features around now would be to add a bit of management stuff, so it's much more easier for people to use. Come up with more interesting traps to go for people. For example, monitor for new processes that are spawned as system privileges, because in most servers that's very unusual. So new traps, a bit more management, more stability, of course.
Okay, thank you very much, Konrads. We really appreciate your presence with us.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, there you go.